Hello, what is up? Prali here, and welcome to Spanere. So in this video, I wanna show you how to change brake pads on your car. It's the same process for any car basically. You just have to follow the same process. So I was doing the front brake pads, but even if you're doing um, the rear brake pads on your car, is just gonna be the same process. Um, so I'm showing you because of a lot of us don't have the necessary tools to do the job, but if you have just the basic ones, you can just do it. So I basically just used a 12 millimeter spanner and a screwdriver. So and of course the wheel spanner to take off the wheel. But yeah, those are the tools I used. So hope you enjoy.
So firstly, you have to start by removing the wheel using your wheel spanner. Then after the wheel is out, you're just going to have to compress this caliper. So I'm gonna use a flat screwdriver here to compress it, and I'll show you how or why you have to compress it. So basically you have to compress it because of when you put in the new brake pads, they'll be very thick, and then if you don't compress it, they won't fit inside this caliper, between the caliper and that I don't know what it's called, that cycle thing, or that round thing that is being pressed by the when you hit on the brake, it gets pushed or pressed by the brake fluid. So yeah, I'll just show you what it looks like. I'm not sure what it's called. And then now you just have to unbolt the two bolts that are holding the caliper in place. So started with the bottom one because the top one was really tight and it needed a lot of manpower. So yeah, had to exercise gym a bit for me to get it out. There it is out. So that is the part that I was talking about, that you have to compress. And then now you take off your old brake pads so that you can fit in the new ones. So those are the new brake pads we got from Midas. We got them for, I think, 530 rands, and they are a Ferodo brand, and those are the clips that come with it. So here you have to take out the old clips so that you can fit in the new ones. They are really easy to take out, and even the new ones are just easy. Just have to clip them on. No, so that's how easy they are. The brake pads are gonna sit on top of these clips, so that is why you have to put them there. The new brake pads, you just have to nicely or gently put them in place, and yeah, they'll just sit in place. So there I was with my some inspectors there trying to show me how they should sit. Then now you have to put back the caliper in place. As you can see, it doesn't just go in easily, so that is why you have to compress it so that the new ones can fit. So had you not compressed it, it was gonna be very difficult to fit them or to fit it back. So yeah, that is how you do it. And just like that, you have managed to fit in your brake pads, and what is left to do now is just to bolt back your bolts there so that they can hold the caliper in place. Make sure that you tighten them so that they don't come out. As the guy was saying there that I want to kill him because of didn't trust that I could tighten them back the way they should. But yeah. And now it's job done. Just like that, you've managed to fit in your new brake pads.